no? So actually, currently, no, I would like to mention the activity that the ILG is actually undertaking, no? So meron tayong infrastructure audit na currently na ginagawa, infra audit po. So meron pong team sa bawat ahensya na medyo may engineering background, medyo lang may engineering background that is part of the team that conducts the assessment of the various buildings. So nagkaroon na po sila ng training, I believe two session or 3 sessions of trainings, and then there is also a MOA that was signed per respective organization na tutulong po sa building watching, sa infra audit. So, ang intention nga po doon is titignan po lahat ng mga building structures, not only the schools, but also all the government buildings, no? So, i-audit po yon. So, meron pong checklist po yan. So, katulong po natin doon ang PICE at ASEP, no? So, in that endeavor. So, yun po yung isang activity po na ginagawa. So, but I could also highlight during the height, no? So, not in Central Luzon, but in NCR, ganun din po ang ginawa. Ang DPWH naman led the per instruction po kasi the former president that kailangan ma-assess po natin ang mga buildings. They also did conduct infra audit. And pag nag-infra audit tayo, makikita na po natin kung ano ang hindi pwede or kailangan i-retrofit. So papasok na po ang retrofitting activities po doon. So sa ngayon, we don't have the figures, but that is an initiative that was actually initiated by the ILG. So, and kami po sa OCD, kaya ko alam po yan, ay kasama po kasi ang aming staff as a member of the audit team. So, thank you po.